Yeah, guys, morning. Guys, may I give you our next update. You have a Jamaican man who used to live in Grenada. He was the commissioner. Guys, lie if you tell you. Remember, the man was a commissioner, of police. And guys, lie if you tell you. Yo, the man a left a go home. Because me meet him on one time in a Foodlands. You understand, Foodland supermarket. And the man a left a go home. But the government, he want the man to work for them. And the man not into it. Remember, the man was a commissioner, of police, and the man resigned. And they want in response to certain things. And he tell him, say, no, I'm go home. Guys, they lock up a man as a hostage. You hear me tell you, no? Lock up a man as a hostage down at airport. You hear me tell you, miss a flight, him have to sleep on the floor or ground in the airport and go me next day. You hear me tell you, no, guys? So when you see me come on social media and I say certain things, you know, my people, yo, may I say it for the views. Or may I look a clown, may I look on the no, boss, a reality. I want to not believe this. Right now, the DPP is a Jamaican. And some things that them do. Yo, actually, I'm not ready for talk yet. Yeah, everything good. And when them lock up the Jamaican man down at the airport, I know this government was in power at the next one. The one will lose election one day. People, Jamaican people want to know up in no yai. Every day you no hear me talk on the feel say a joke, I make yo. Them not real. You hear me tell you no, them not real. But not tell you no. Oh, me fi can me documents come give you. To represent me a court, me pay you. To represent me a court. And you don't turn up 3 times, guys. Me go court. And Mr. Jerry Edwin don't turn up, that are the lawyer. The first time me go court, me kinda see with that when if you come and you no come, me kinda see with that. You understand what I did? The second time, I tell the judge say, yo, he have court in town. You understand? Which one way in myself, me I say, no man, something wrong. See the last time I go court, the next time I go court, them a ask him, he don't turn up. So why you take me money? Then people who no look, them throw away the case. You as a lawyer never come a court to represent me. You not even know say the court done. And me call you other day, just other day now the court done pan around May. Sometime in a May, check your levels. The court finish. Check which month we in and now. You know, understand what I did, and I just around a week back now, me call him and I ask him what happened to the documents and my money. Cause court done and you never turn up to court. You understand what I did? Me need back the documents and my money. You understand what I did? Because me tell him from first, guys. Me tell him from first. Say, yo, anytime the court done, me I bring up back the people them cause I lie them I tell for me and he know. Because when he see the file, when me carry the file go give him, the man I say, what this? Oh, this reach in a court. And him I read the paper and him I say, you owe child maintenance, you owe over 2,000. Me say, no. That's how then get to bring me in a court, guys. Say me owe over $2,500. People, right now, the man don't want to give me back my documents. Why you give me back my money and you don't want to give me my documents? Because you don't want to go in front of the court. Because you know it will go feedback upon you, Mr. Jerry Edwin. Uno don't like Jamaican, the Jamaican people don't know me always ask you. Mr. Jerry Edwin, the Jamaican people don't know. Me need my documents them. You understand me need my documents. And no beg you if you come a court you. And I know like a something we are make up. And you know. Cause you see a man turn to me and I say, how this reach in a court? And you see how you reach in a court and you can't give me back your documents if you go back in front court. Why? You never come a court from first, you never turn up because you don't interested. That's how you do the people them. And the people them have to wall. But me now go wall so I go further with it. Cause I don't like Jamaican. If you have 1 subscribers, I want to hope you know yeah. And look. You understand what I did? You see if you don't watch my video them, you can see me post a file on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You understand what I did, guys? And just open on the eye, yo. Believe that. Years as me say, Mr. Andrew Holness, want to know hope you know yai. Hear me tell on the boss, no make nobody chicken no and take on no idiot. That how them do people up here. It's when them get used to you. Remember me tell you, yo, these people don't like us. They not like foreigner, none at all. Guys, I'm out.